Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find any files in your Windows computer. Let's suppose you have some files you have stored in your computer in any folders, but it's been long ago and you can't remember the exact location. So how you can search those files? So to do that, we are going to open this Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer, File Explorer, or you can just press Windows and E key. It will open like this. So if you click over here, it will open like this. Okay. So suppose I have a file over here. The file name is myfile.png. Okay. So I'm going to copy it. Sorry, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put this file over here. Okay. So now suppose that I don't know where the file is. It's been a long time, I don't know. So how we can find that? So to do that, we are going to use this option, search option. If I type over here my, as you can see, I just typed the first two letter of that file name and it's showing me all the files which are related to this word. It's saying even for the folders, it's giving you the exact file path where the file is located. Let's suppose this particular folder, it's located under E drive, office. Sorry, still searching. As you can see, it's still searching. So it will search all the files, so you have to wait for some time to get the exact file if you're not getting that file at the top of it. So please wait, then it will scan the entire hard disk of your or entire partition, and then it will search all those files that are connected or like linked this word to words. So as you can see, it's searching. Let me just stop this thing. Okay, so my file was, which one was my file? Let me just see. Okay, as you can see right now, I have a lot of files, so it's really hard. I'm going to type file, was this my file dot png. If you know the file extension, like I knew that my file extension was dot png. So as you can see, when I type the exact name, it's showing me the file. Okay, if you right click on it like this, then you can open the file location over here. As you can see, open the file location if you wanted to check where the file is located. So if you click over here, you can see it's open the exact file location where I put this file, like my drive and pm. So I know a lot of people may be thinking that this is a very basic video, but believe me, I found many people in my office who don't know how to search large files exactly in Windows system. So I think this video can help someone who don't know about this function. So if you find anything helpful from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.